Hey everyone, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Today for Veganuary, we are going to be making one of my favorite veggie dishes. It's Brussels sprouts! Yay!
Oh, it's not just Brussels sprouts, though.
Well, I consider this the Brussels sprouts dish, and then we have other stuff in there. So we're gonna be making ours with carrots. These are tri-colored. And we've recently been adding in some red onion, which has been a really nice addition to the dish.
A lot of people make these for the holidays. We make these year round, even
definitely.
in the summertime.
Yeah, so we prefer to roast these. So let's get started. We're gonna prep all of our ingredients. So I'm gonna start with the carrots, and I'm just gonna show you guys how we like to work this. So I'm just gonna cut off this end. These have already been washed, BT dubs. And
Right.
we're not peeling these today because they are organic, so you can eat the skin. But if these were just your run-of-the-mill carrots, we would definitely be peeling them first. So we're just gonna chop these into little bite-sized pieces. I know, this is super exciting.
It is.
Oh, actually, it kind of is with carrots because you gotta be like on it to make sure it doesn't roll away.
There.
Yeah. Last one.
Like that one? That's for
Yeah.
the dog.
Oh,
All right, and he's waiting right there.
he's smart. He knows.
All right, so when you're done chopping these, we're going to steam all of the vegetables separately.
Yeah, so I'm gonna chop these up and then I'll check in with you guys when we're ready to steam.
All right.
Look at these. So these are all chopped up.
Yep.
We're gonna cover this bowl with this Silpat, which
Yep.
we use a lot for like baking cookies and stuff. So it's just like a saran wrap alternative. It's gonna keep this all sealed so it
You
can
could use
steam.
one of those silicone bowl lids as well.
Yes, we were gonna use that, but we couldn't find it, so no reasons.
It's probably dirty somewhere.
Yeah, probably. So we are going to microwave this for 8 minutes to get it nice and soft. And in the meantime...
Not fully cooked, though.
No.
We're just going to take the bite out of it.
Right. In the meantime, we're going to prep our Brussels.
Right. Wow, you got a whole lot of Brussels sprouts there.
Well, this is only half. The other half are draining over here because I was just washing them. So usually for the Brussels, depending on the size, that's really going to determine
Right.
how many cuts I make. So
You're
I
a real
always...
size queen.
I know. I always cut off the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then something like this, I would do like just half.
Just half, yeah.
And then that's ready to go, but the bowl is in the microwave right
Right.
now, so we'll just put that off to the side.
Yeah, we're in the interest of only using one bowl for the steaming.
Right. So then one like this, okay, again, we're doing the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Get the extra leaf in there. We want every bit.
Yeah,
gonna
because it's going to be
go-
delicious.
Half. And then I'm going to go half again. I guess I'll go this way.
Okay.
So I'm just going to get all those ready to go, and by the time I'm done with these, the bowl will be free.
Yes, the carrots will be done, and the carrots will be placed into this dish over here.
Yes. Okay. Here are the carrots getting ready to go in the baking
Casserole.
dish over here.
Yep.
We've got our Brussels, which are going to go in the microwave now. So we're going to do 8 minutes again
Right.
for these.
Don't trip on Bowie.
Boo boo.
He's the kitchen supervisor.
This is...
Yeah.
And then, look at that balance.
Right.
It's a real Captain Morgan. And then, we're going to prep our onions.
Right.
All right, here we go with the onions. So we want nice, like, long pieces
Like
for this.
lemon wedges.
Right. So
You
we're
put
gonna
the butt
go.
up.
We peeled these.
Right.
Butt up. We're gonna slice down the middle here, nice and easy.
Mhm.
Whoops. Then that looks weird.
Yeah, it's because it started growing already, a new one.
Oh, crazy.
Oh boy, you're going to have to throw that part out.
I was gonna say this is.
It has an alien inside.
Yeah, I don't think we want that part. It's a little
Right, that's gross.
gross. So just scoop that out
See, she's rolling with the punches.
and then continue on your merry way.
Yep.
So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here.
Right.
And then we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna cry.
Is it making you cry?
A little bit. So we're gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. And then we're just gonna do all of our onions like that.
Right.
And we are actually gonna steam these as well. These we're only gonna do 5 minutes in the microwave though.
Right.
And then we're going to come back and we will season everything together.
Right.
Here we have all the stuff. It's all steamed, ready to go.
Smells wonderful already.
It does. So now it's time to season. So
you could just steam this and eat it, but it's not going to taste the same as the caramelization that takes place of these veggies. It just takes it to a whole nother level.
Yeah. So we're going to do about half a tablespoon of sea salt.
Right. Sprinkle it good. You don't want a big pocket of salt.
No.
Be like a deer with a salt lick. Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to do a full tablespoon of granulated onion. We could not remember how much we usually put in.
I know.
I hope that's right.
You know what I was just thinking?
What?
We don't even need the granulated onion anymore.
Why?
Because we have onion.
So I'll do a little less.
Yeah, because we used to use just the granulated onion before
but now
we started.
Have actual onions in there.
Yeah, and the actual onion is nice because it's so mellow and so creamy.
Mm-hmm.
It really adds that creaminess to the little bit of a crunch of the carrot and the Brussels sprout.
It is very nice.
Yeah.
If I do say so myself. We're going to put in also, well, this will go full tablespoon.
But you could make this without the onion if you wanted to.
Yeah.
And just use like a whole tablespoon of the granulated onion.
This is the granulated garlic.
Right. That's a lot of garlic and we like it.
I love garlic, so I'm not complaining. This does look like a lot of seasoning.
But it's delicious.
Maybe we didn't actually use this much in the past. Let me pour a little bit of that back in.
I think it's fine. Because once it gets all mixed up, it's gonna get coated and everything.
I hope you're right.
We're gonna put an S-ton of olive oil on there too.
I forgot which lid is which. Garlic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Smell test prevails. So now we just gotta get. Oh wait, no, we gotta put our EVOO extra virgin olive oil.
EVOO, daughter.
Yes. How much would you guess for this?
I would say like 1/3 of a cup.
Okay, so tell me when. Because I'm really bad at judging olive oil. For real?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
That might have been 1/2 cup. If you like a lot of oil, you can use a lot of oil. The thing with this is you don't have to eat the oil that drips to the bottom. You could just, leave some oil in the pan. Like, my mother wouldn't do that, though.
Oh my goodness. Granny will sop that up with a roll.
She'll drink it. One time we went to a Italian restaurant and she asked for a bowl of olive oil. I thought she was going to dip her bread in it, but she poured it all over her pasta.
No!
And it already had sauce on it.
Oh, Granny. She does love olive oil.
Yeah.
So we're just going to get this all mixed up. And then we are going to
pop it into the oven.
Pop it in the oven. We're preheating to 375.
On convection.
On convection. So if you're not doing convection, you probably want it at like 4.
Exactly.
And we're going to leave that in there for...
I would say between a half an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah, so check on it at half an hour, see where it's at.
You want to have it look slightly burnt.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. Yeah. It doesn't need a lot. This is mostly just for flavor.
Right.
To caramelize the sugars in the vegetables, and it's gonna take it to a whole nother level.
This looks so beautiful with all these colors.
I know. It looks beautiful already. I just want to dive in there with those quarter color carrots.
Right?
Yeah, quad color carrots.
Mm-hmm. This is looking pretty darn good.
Oh my gosh.
If I do say so myself.
It's amazing. This is our favorite thing on pizza night. We're having pizza tonight. And there is the veggie part. If we don't have a salad, we usually have that.
Yeah, and I got all of it.
Yeah!
So let's take a taste.
Right? Dab it out.
It's really good.
Awesome. Oh
my God.
have snuck a little bit since I was waiting.
Nice.
So, yeah.
It's really, really good.
It's delicious.
Okay, I should get my own bowl and not eat out of the dish.
Well, why don't you fill up your own bowl and then continue to eat out of the dish like we do?
That's for lunch, though.
Oh, okay. I do that for dinner, too.
Mm-hmm. Well,
and
anyway.
breakfast.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.
I hope you try it because it's
really
life-changing.
simple and it's really delicious.
I used to hate Brussels sprouts until we started making them like this.
Mm-hmm.
So, go for it.
Yes. Let us know what else you want to see us make. And thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you tomorrow. So until then, much love.